As it's the end of the year, I thought I'd just run through the costs that I've had for running my cars over the last 12 months, just to give an indication how much it does cost to run an older car. A few people have said to me that it's far too expensive to run an older car, and that's why they get a new one and run that, paying it on finance. Having looked at the numbers, I don't agree. The cost of running this Golf over the last 12 months was £147, so that's all I've paid in terms of maintenance and servicing. Admittedly, last year was slightly more expensive because I had some of the longer term items that needed doing, such as the cam belt, and I needed some new tyres. Even then, excluding those items, it only cost me £210. The cam belt was about £400 and the tyres were about £200, but other cars will still need the same servicing. And it's not just that the Golf is a one-off, and it's very unusual being that cheap. My Passat, which I'll look at in a moment, is a similar sort of price. So the only work that I've needed to do this year is a repair on the exhaust, which cost me £48, a CV boot, which cost me £80, and the turbo boost hose, which cost me £18, which you may just have seen on video. This Golf is 19 years old. There's no rust on it, there's no corrosion. Costs are pretty irrelevant though if the car's unreliable, and a lot of people assume that an old car is not going to get you from A to B reliably during the year. I've found that that definitely isn't the case. As you can see from the numbers, there are maintenance costs associated with running an older car, but I think it's still vastly cheaper than running a brand new one and paying £300+ per month. I reckon you could probably be saving £3,000 a year by running an older car compared to one that's brand new, and the depreciation and ongoing costs associated with that. Over the last 20 years or so, cars have been so well built that reliability shouldn't now be an issue if the cars are maintained according to the required schedule.